Welcome to my channel. So today is Wednesday. It was raining bad this morning, so I was in my local mechanic, and I want to get this aligned with new tires, new to me tires. And then the mechanic told me that he can't do anything about the car's alignment, because my camber and my caster is two-way off. So with the camber, I think I already corrected it. I ordered a camber bolt. It will arrive tomorrow. So this side has a camber bolt, the other side doesn't. But this was two-way off. It's like 2 degrees. The other side is 1 degree. But then when I took the tire off, I made a mistake of putting the camber bolt down, and then the regular bolt up. So I switch it up. I think it's okay now. Now we're gonna do the caster. So the caster is the alignment from the center, and this tire, the driver's side, is too far forward. See, 4 fingers can fit here, while on the driver's passenger side, only 3. So thank God for YouTube. Found a way to correct it by myself, and we're gonna use the 3. So we need to pull it back. Ako na yung side na to. Ayan, naka-jack na ako dito. Tapos pupunta ako sa ilalim, ilulusin ko yung mga bolts na humahawak dito sa area na to, sa talangka. Ayan, lulusin natin. Tapos try nating batakin patas. So ayan, ano yun eh, dapat at least half an inch yung isikip nito. So the car is jacked up on this side, and then I'm gonna go underneath and loosen the bolts, and then we'll try to pull this side using the tree and the hoist. The hoist is underneath, and for baseline we need to measure so we can see the difference. Maybe 3 1/3. Let's go. This is the hoist. Okay. I loosen this major bolts that hold this down, and this. Okay. So I was able to find my cable lock for my bike, and I changed my setup, and this is frankly this is a safer setup because I'm not underneath the car. So I'm using the cable, bike cable. So initially it was 3 1/4, sorry, and now it's less than 3. This is my line right here. So it's less than 3. I think one more push that way, and then I'm gonna tighten all the bolts. Tightened everything. Now I'm gonna take this off, but look, it's promising. Moment of truth. I'm gonna put it down. There you go. 3 fingers. Barely. I can still use one more adjustment. 3 fingers on this side. Let's go. Three fingers. This is tighter. Okay. Welcome to my channel. So Amazon just delivered my camber adjustment bolts, 2 pieces, and this tool, I'm amazed. Look, almost 3. Almost 3. It needs to be at a 0 for 0 camber. Yesterday when I went to my mechanic asking them to align my car, they said that the camber was too way off. So when I went home, I adjusted this and it's almost perfect. Almost perfect. Oh, it's actually perfect. Perfect. 0. Perfect 0. So I'm not gonna touch this anymore. I'm not gonna touch this. See? 0. While on the other side it's like 2.5. So I need to make adjustments on this side. But yesterday that side was worse. So now it's at a 3. 3. Huh. Okay. Let's do this. The car on jack stands, it changed. It's almost 0, but we're gonna take it to -2. So when it's on the ground with the wheels, we'll check again. Hopefully it's at 0. And this is the bolt that we're gonna replace, but we need to loosen this also. The old bolt is out. Adjustable camber bolt is in. You need to adjust it. You need to turn it to get the desired angle. So right now it's less than 2. Let's check it when the tire is on the ground. Time to put this in. It's worth it to buy this tool. It's like $8, and the adjustable camber bolts was $9. So it's almost perfect, and this is how I like it. Okay, it's like 0.5. Totally worth it. Now I learned something new, how to adjust the camber.